Here's the thing. I don't hate classic pigs in a blanket, but once you try this version, there's no going back. Hey friends, welcome to the party. I'm Michelle and I'm here to help you invite your friends over more and stress less. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a party classic with a twist. We're making pigs in a blanket with puff pastry. They are going to be the hit of your next party, so let's do it. We're gonna start off with a pack of hot dogs and we are going to cut them into 36 pieces total. So you need to do 6 by 6. Each hot dog needs to be cut into 6. I can do basic math, I promise. You can totally use cocktail wieners if you like, if that's your jam, but I definitely am team hot dog for these pigs in a blanket. All right, so we've got a bowl of dogs over here and we're gonna get our puff pastry out of the fridge. Super important with puff pastry, you wanna make sure it's as cold as possible. So keep it in the fridge until you absolutely need to use it. Just do a little flouring of our surface. There we go. All right, so we are gonna roll this out into a rectangle that is 12 by 10. Oops, can I do that right? Yeah, so we got a little ways to go. Oh, all right, we're definitely there now. I'm just straighten up those edges a little bit. So we're gonna cut this into pretty thin strips. Just cut it in half. A ruler really will help with the process. And your rectangle doesn't need to be perfect. It's totally fine if it's a little bit oblong, so it's all good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yep, there we go. 6 over here, so 12 long strips in total is what we want. All right, so 12 long strips, totally cool. If they're all over the place width-wise, it doesn't need to be perfect. We do not like perfection over here. It's not realistic. All right, and then we're gonna cut this into 3 sections so we have 36 pieces because math is not hard. All right, so we've got all of these funky little strips, and this is what we're going to wrap our little piggies in. So we are gonna make a little egg wash, just an egg with a little bit of water, and that will help keep the puff pastry like attached to itself. So 1 egg, tablespoon of water. And we're just gonna brush this just on the top edge of the puff pastry. I'm gonna do like 1 row at a time. And you've got it on one edge of the puff. You're gonna take a hot dog, little cut guy, and you're gonna put it on the side that doesn't have the egg wash, and then wrap the puff pastry up and around. If you need to, you can pull the dough a little bit. And there we have it, pre-bake. They're gonna go seam side down onto our baking sheet. And they're gonna do it with all the things, all right? Let's do it. All right, we just need to do a little rearranging on here. Oh, they're kind of stuck. That's okay. They're just gonna go right here. It's gonna be totally fine. And now They all get a little egg wash. Gorgeous, and just to finish them off, some sesame seeds. All right, yeah, this is a little time consuming, but it's gonna be so worth it. Into the oven you go, like, I don't know, 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown, 400 degrees. Our pigs in a blanket are done. They look so good. And I'm gonna just go ahead and plate them up with a little honey mustard sauce. Yes, ketchup, mustard, whatever you want. I like this honey mustard situation. One more. Oops. Well, I guess I'm gonna eat that one. All right, now before I dive in, I wanna make sure you check out my other favorite party food recipes, which you can find right here. Go check them out. All right, honey mustard. Ooh, hot. Flaky, crispy, hot doggy, perfect.